Hi everybody, so I have run into an issue with my amaranth plants. These I had planted around 3 weeks back, and I have already had one harvest from this, but later on after that one harvest I observed some issue. Let me show you. So this white spot like thing has appeared in almost all plants, all amaranth plants actually. So I checked online. I am actually not sure what this thing is, but when I checked online and I found something called as white rust, and the symptoms written in that online video or article matches a lot with what I'm observing here. So it's there in almost all plants, all the amaranth plants. It did not leave any. So looks like this is something called as white rust, and from what I read, if it appears in one plant, it kind of spreads into the other plants as well, same type of plant. So in this case I am observing this only in my amaranth plants and not in any other. Like I have this pepper plants over here, I don't see this issue in the pepper plants. And also I checked with one of my aunties, she's also into gardening, and she also kind of advised me that it's better to remove all of them. Now that all of them has this issue, so it is better to just remove these. It's not something that I would like to eat. So I'll call this an anti-harvest video. Of course I'm not happy about it at all, to put in all this effort for this long and then all of them, each one of them going to waste. Look at this. Every single one of them has got this issue. And this is the first time that I have faced this issue. Maybe because it's just been 1 year since I started gardening. So last year I started in the winters. So this is the first time I'm experiencing rainy season. So looks like this is something, an issue that occurs in the rainy season. This seems okay. These ones look really bad. Let me show you one closer. So initially I thought, when I saw this in a couple of leaves, I thought it must be some sunburn because we were having very irregular climate. There used to be huge amount of rains and then suddenly sun would come out. So I thought maybe because of that it's getting sunburned. So I just left it. So lesson learned. When you see this kind of an issue propping up in your plants, just take it off. So that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you found this informative, and I hope you got an insight into certain issues that can come up in amaranth plants. Thank you guys. See you in another video. Bye.